In this video, we'll see the recipe of chocolate and roasted almond ice cream. It's very easy to make and it's tasty. In a pan, take 3.5 tablespoons whole wheat flour or gehun ka atta and at medium flame roast it till the raw smell is gone, so 1 to 2 minutes is fine. Then take it off and take it out in a bowl and keep aside. Now in another pan, heat 500 ml or half liter milk. I'm using buffalo milk. Then add 4 tablespoons cocoa powder. I'm using Dutch processed, but you can also use the regular natural unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix it really well, so it's not very easy to mix cocoa powder and milk. It takes some time. Now this is our gehun ka atta which is cooled down. Now to it add some milk or a little water. So up to you what do you want to add and make a paste like this. So making a paste would make sure that we do not get a lot of lumps while we add this to our milk mixture. Now add 7 tablespoons sugar. And add the prepared paste to this milk mixture, and you need to continuously stir it and you need to start stirring it immediately so that there are no lumps. A whisk really helps. If you have a whisk, I suggest that you use it. Now you need to keep cooking it between medium to high flame till it thickens like this. Then let it cool down, and after cooling down it would look like this. The mixture has cooled down, so now I'm adding to the mixer grinder jar. So make sure you do not add hot mixture to the grinder jar. Now churn it for a minute, approximately a minute or two. Then add this mixture to an airtight container. Now freeze this mixture, this ice cream mixture, for 5 to 6 hours. Meanwhile, take 1/4 cup almonds, add a pinch of salt. Salt is going to enhance the flavor a lot. 1 teaspoon water, give it a mix and let it sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, heat a pan and add the almonds. If there is some water remaining, do not add that. Only pick the almonds and put them in your kadhai or pan. At medium flame, you need to roast these and you would notice that the color would lighten and you would get a very nice smell. So after that, let the almonds cool down and then just gently crush it using your mortar and pestle. You can also use your mixer grinder, but mixer grinders really results into fine powder, and I want big pieces of almonds. That's why I'm using it. So this is ready. Keep it aside. So here's our ice cream. It's frozen. Now we're going to churn it. So the second churning is to make sure that there are no ice crystals. This ice cream does not use any cream, whipping cream. So it's very easy to make ice cream using whipping cream. And the ice cream comes out really smooth in first go. But that's not the case with these kind of ice cream where we use flour as thickener. So that is the reason double churning is important. And while pouring mixture, you need to add the almond pieces. So you can add as much as you want. If more than 1/4 cup, you can do that as well. So here I've kept little almond pieces aside for decoration. Now cover this and keep this in your freezer till this ice cream sets. So should take 6 to 7 hours. And now I'm going to demold this ice cream. So let me be honest here, scooping out ice cream like this without cream is a little difficult compared to the whipped cream ice cream. That is the reason I prefer using demolding this ice cream and then cutting it into pieces. Though this ice cream is really smooth and melts in mouth, but the scooping part or taking it out part is a little difficult compared to our whipped cream ice cream. So I suggest that you also demold your ice cream and then use it. Now decorate it with the remaining chopped almonds, and this ice cream tastes amazing. The roasted almonds which you get while eating this ice cream are just out of this world. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.